Yes. Let's open. Like this one. Oh my. Let's open. Hello guys, welcome to my show. Today I prepare for you so much drinks, Orbeez, and also a very cool foods like this one. And today I prepare for you Mountain Dew, Chupa Chups, also original Coca-Cola, original Sprite. It's an international cola, very interesting cola. Also funky monkey orange drinks and another drinks, and also I prepared for you some foods, some very tasty foods. It's a Krusty, it's a Chit Chat, and also mini Chupa Chups. And let's start. And now I want to show for you the experiments with soda. I will add soda to Coca-Cola and to Sprite. Let's open and start. First one to the Sprite. Oh, yes. The second one will be Coca-Cola. Yes. Ooh, it's cool. Let's start our experiment. I will take a new soda. It's a soda, and we will open. Open. Oh, yes, I open it, and let's try. It will be very interesting and amazing video. Please subscribe and like me. Let's try. Ooh, it's very cool. Give me Chupa Chups. I want Chupa Chups. Yes, it's Chups. It's pink Chupa Chups. Ouch. Yeah. International color. Let's open. Oh, that's cool. Yes, so. And now I want to do a new experiment with Mentos. I will take a Mountain Dew and a lot of Mentos. Open. How I can open? Yes, like this one. Oh my. Mountain Dew is very tasty. This one. Oh, yes, yes, yes. It was cool reaction, but small reaction. Yeah. Yes, cool. The next one will be Funky Monkey. Maybe it's like Fanta, but not same. Oh my. Let's also take Orbeez, and yes. Orbeez. And also we can add Mentos and hop. Yeah. Woo! It was Funky Monkey. The next one is the Who's Team. Oh yeah. Yeah. So it's TikTok. Ooh. Let's open. Yeah, so much, very beautiful. Let's go. And the last one, I will open Chupa Chups. Let's open. Yes. Boom. Thank you for watching video, guys. It was very cool and interesting. I very like you. And also, if you like me, you can subscribe and like me. See you tomorrow. Goodbye.